Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dea Ramadan Taib. I'm a student of English Education Department. In here, I'm going to presentation about my proposal. So, my title is Using Think Pair Share Method to Improve Reading Comprehension Skill on Descriptive Text. Okay, the first slide is there are 3 journal links that I took to be my reference material. Next, there is an abstract screenshot from the first journal, but I'm sorry, in here the picture is not clear, so I write a little aim of this journal. This article aims to investigate the application of the Think, Pair, Share method to improve reading skills of narrative text in 8th grade students of MTSN Kunir Blitar. The research design used was Classroom Action Research, or PTK. Research instruments are observation, field notes, and tests. Okay, for the second journal, aims to determine whether there are significant differences on student reading ability after being taught using Think, Pair, Share technique, especially in reading the report text. This research approach is quantitative research. This study used a one-group pretest and post-test design. The reading test was used as a data collection instrument. And the last journal is aimed to improve the 8th grade student reading skill through the Think, Pair, Share technique at Junior High School 3 Wonosari Gunung Kidul. Its theme is answering how the activities were planned, how the plans were implemented, and what the indicators of success and failure. Now, we enter into a comparison between the 3 journals that become my reference material and the title of the proposal that I will examine. So, the 3 journals aim to examine whether students have an increase in reading comprehension achievement of narrative text and report text after using the Think, Pair, Share technique. Meanwhile, my proposal aims to improve the ability to read descriptive text by using the Think, Pair, Share technique. Okay, in here there are 3 research questions that will be my research material. The first is why using Think, Pair, Share technique to improve reading comprehension skill on descriptive text. The second is how to implement Think, Pair, Share to improve reading comprehension skill on descriptive text. And the third is how is the comparison between before using the Think, Pair, Share technique and after using the Think, Pair, Share technique. Next, research methodology. This research is a quantitative research where the researcher will test whether students have an increase in reading comprehension of the descriptive text after being taught using the Think, Pair, Share technique. The research target of the 8th grade students of Junior High School 2 Gorontalo. Conclusion. The title that will be my research is Using Think, Pair, Share method to improve reading skill on descriptive text. Think, Pair, Share is a cooperative learning method to influence students' interaction patterns, giving students to think, answer, and help each other, so that students will be more active in the learning process. So, through this method, I will see whether there is an increase in the ability of 8th grade students of Junior High School 2 Gorontalo in reading descriptive text.